Hey there, welcome to our Shopify store design course, and in this class we are first going to fix the button issue. In previous class we added this button, but we cannot get any ready option from our theme customization section to change the background color of this button and text color. So I have already make a ready code snippet that will be easy for you, and of course finally I'll share the theme with my audience, so don't worry about the code snippet. So here is the ready code snippet and I'm going to explain everything. So in the first stage we will do some general or common work. So let's start. First of all, we are going to change the picture of this button. So go to the customer section and click on the online store. Then click on the customize, press on control button to open it in another tab. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code. Perfect. So first things is that in previous we have checked under the hero section in button we don't find any option to change the background color or text color of this button. Also, if I click on the hero section, you see no option for button, no individual option for button. Okay, and now we are going to add the code to get the customization option in here. So go back in the code edit section, and here you have to open, let me open hero, search hero file, then open hero.liquid file under section folder, and our destination find the button. So I am searching button. It's super easy. If you try to learn little bit code, then it will be super easy for you. We are going to search or find the button. Okay, here is the button code. Looks here. Here is the button code, and we are going to find spacing.style liquid file, spacing.style, open the spacing.style file. Here is the code for button. What we did in here, actually we just reflects the code with AI. We tell the AI or write prompt to add customization option for this button, and finally I get the updated code. Here this result share with explanation what they added or changes. They added button underscore background underscore color and button underscore background text underscore color. That's mean background color and text color. They have added this code in CSS variable and add this code in the liquid variable. And here is the final code. Copy this code and paste it in hero.liquid. Remove all, Ctrl V to paste. Click on the save. Then if you go to the customer section, reload again. Super easy. And scroll down, you see there is a option appearance color scheme, button background color. We want background color will be yellow like this one. So button background color yellow. Perfect. and text color is black, so we add black. You see, so simple and easy. Also we can add more customization section or customization option in here using the AI. I use DeepSeek or Copilot or anyone you can use. So we have to make the design as close as possible like this one. So we have to add this text, welcome to Atleto. So now we are going to do the simple texts. We add a text in here, welcome to Atleto. So click on here, add a block text, block, welcome to, we're going to write welcome to Atleto, and we can make it bold. Perfect. Now it looks good than previous. Click on the save, and then we're going to start working on here shop categories section. So first of all we have to create categories. So go to the customize section, admin panel, click on the product collections, and open our folder Atleto. We have already pre-generated folder collection. Now add one by one oil paint, pastel painting. So first oil painting, create a collection name oil painting, manual, add a product, no product still now. So add image for this collection, upload all the image. Oil painting done. Click on the save. We have added one collection. Then pastel painting, create another collection, pastel painting, here is the pastel painting. Click on the save. Okay, create another collection, watercolor painting, so add another collection name watercolor painting. Here is the watercolor painting. Click on the save. Then acrylic painting, create another collection, acrylic painting, okay, click on the save. Then canvas painting, add another collection name canvas painting, add collection image canvas painting. Perfect. We have added all the collection, but we don't assign any product, so we have to upload a dummy product in here. So go back in product, add product, just add a dummy product for testing purpose. Add this one. We're going to add a product name, product title or product description, and go to the folder. I have organized everything, all product, encrusting, where is the encrusting painting? here is the all the product. We can see we can up all the product image, then add a dummy price. Okay, perfect. Okay, everything all right. Click on the save. We're actually going to add this section, shop categories. So now we are ready. So go back, customize section, online store, and then click on the customize. And now click on the product list, remove it, add section, collection, collection grid, collection carousel. Okay, so collection carousel will be perfect for us. Yes, and we can select the collection carousel. You see, very perfect. And they have added shop categories. We are going to write shop categories instead of collection carousel. Shop categories, and it will be center. Perfect. And max image will be, click on the collection grid. We have to show the maximum number, find out that they have show 4, we have to show 4. So collection list, show column 4. Perfect. Then carousel type, carousel, icon background circle. Perfect. Gap, it's okay. Padding margin, everything all right. Now click on the grid, vertical gap. Okay, title on placement, we're going to find out the title on bottom, or so we're going to below image. Perfect. Everything all right. Then they have added it in center, the title of collection, center. Okay, so click on the save. So it's okay so far, but we have to make it like this one. So now I'm going to make like this one, including this picture, and then I will share the everything with you. So let me do this with using custom code and AI, and finally you will get the everything ready. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress, Shopify or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.